Hello my dear students, good morning, good afternoon everyone. In today's class we will talk about balancing of redox reaction in basic medium, not like previous one. In this lecture we will use shortcut or short trick to balance redox reaction in basic medium, because basic medium balancing is quite lengthy and it is here more steps are involved, so we can't act like one step by step, like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, same like in acidic medium. And after that, to balance H plus ion we have to add equal number of OH minus ion to both side of the equation. It is quite lengthy and big time consuming process is there, correct? So how we can balance redox reaction in basic medium within a certain limit of time, or directly using some trick, directly we can solve without any more steps, or without any more steps involvement, correct? So here one equation, MnO4 minus plus Cl minus in presence of OH minus gives MnO2 and ClO2. Hint of OH minus means the reaction belongs to basic medium only. The reaction belongs to basic medium, and I have to balance this equation with very easier way and in short limit of time, correct? So what is the procedure? First of all, as we did same in the acidic medium, correct? For in that medium we did like, first we balanced the equation or element by adding suitable number of factors so that the atom can get balanced here. Means here see, first of all manganese is 1, here manganese is 1, and chloride ion is 1, we can see here, and chloride ion is 2. So my first duty is that I have to balance that atom or that particular element or ion which are getting oxidized or reduced except hydrogen and oxygen. So here I have to ignore that oxygen atom, and on behalf of that I will first check manganese atoms are 1 1, and chloride ion is 1, chlorine atom is 2, correct? So I put this 2 because I have to balance the chloride or chlorine atom in this equation. And the benefit of this method is there, like we do not have to divide into two equal half, that is ox half or red half. Directly we can manage with the single step reaction, correct? Now my second step is I have to calculate ox number of each and every element which are getting oxidized and reduced. So here Mn to Mn and chloride to chlorine, correct? Check ox number of Mn, it will be plus 7. We did more practice already about ox number calculation. For chloride ion, whatever the charge of chloride ion, it will be its ox number. So its charge is -1, so that its ox number will be -1, correct? For MnO2, ox number will be +4, and for chlorine atom, ox number will be 0. Why 0? Students, we know that if atom or molecule is there, and in the case of atom and molecule there is no charge, because the element or molecule is neutral, so that its ox number will be 0, because here charge is not present, absence of charge. Atom, in the case of atom, ox number is 0. In the case of molecule, ox number of 0. But in the case of ion, whatever the charge bears by that particular ion or molecular ion, it will be ox number of that particular ion, we can say, correct? So now check here, MnO4 to MnO2, it is +7 to +4. Means here decrease in ox number taking place, or decrease in ox number is known as reduction, correct? The factor or the number by which ox number decreases, it is 7 to 4, means the factor is 3. We can subtract 7 minus 4 so that we can get the particular factor, the value of that factor which by which its ox number is decreasing. See here, -1 to 0. But students, the factor will not be 1, because here I put 2 for balancing chlorine atom, so that I have to multiply. because I calculated ox number of one element or one atom or one ion. So because here two chloride ions are there, that's why I have to multiply with this 2. So that factor will be now 2. The same concept we did in acidic medium as well. Already we did in that example, correct? So here I have to multiply the value 2 with the factor which is decreasing here, -1 to 0. Factor decreasing is what, or increasing is 1, or we can say here ox number is increasing by 1 factor, -1 to 0, factor 1 is involved. Because atom or molecular or atomic ions are 2, that's why I did multiply with 2, correct? So that the new factor by which ox number is increasing, it will be 2, not 1. So my next duty is I have to multiply cross, or cross multiplication will be there, means this 2 I have to multiply with here MnO4 to MnO2, and this 3 for chloride ion to chlorine. So see here, after multiplication with 2, MnO4 minus will get 2 MnO4 minus and MnO2 will become 2, correct? And for chloride ion, it will be 3 multiplied by 6, 2, it will be 6, and here 1, so that it is 3Cl2. What I did here, I did nothing but I did cross multiply, correct, of the factor by which oxidation and reduction is here governing, we can say, correct? And next, after multiplication, what my next duty, I will see the charge. And in the acidic medium we saw oxygen atom and hydrogen atom, so here little different, correct? I will see charge, total charge is -8, here total charge is 0. So what I will do, I will add whatever the number of charge to left side or right side to opposite side by OH minus, because we are doing balancing in the basic medium, so that I have to add this OH minus, this OH minus. And what will be the number of OH minus? It will be 8, because here charge is -8 and here charge is 0, so that I add plus 8 OH minus. Now see, charge is equal now, here total -8 and here also -8. Now check oxygen and hydrogen atom, just like hit and trial method. Here oxygen atoms are 2 into 4, 8, H is 0. Here oxygen atom are total 2 into 2, it is 4, and 8 oxygen, it is 12. And what is the number of hydrogen? It will be 8, because after adding 8 OH minus, I have more oxygen and more hydrogen as compared to earlier, correct? So now after adding oxygen and hydrogen, see oxygen and H atom left side, they are not balanced. So what I will do, if I will add here total 4 water molecule, so that further the H atom will be here, check, we can write here, if I will add plus 4 H2O, so that H atom will be plus 8 and oxygen atom will be plus 4. Now value is 12 and it is 8. It is balanced or not? Answer is yes. So we can write in complete box. And after as we are doing from my previous video lecture, that we check after balancing is correct or not, correct? So I can check first of all with the help of number of atom, and next with charge. So check here, number of Mn2, number of Mn2, number of Cl is 6, number of Cl is 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Number of O atom 2 into 4, 8 plus 4, answer is 12. Number of O atom 2 into 2 is 4, because this 2 will be multiplied by this oxygen. This is number 2, correct? And next here oxygen atoms are 12. Check hydrogen atom, 4 into 2 it is 8. Here H atoms are 8. Now we can check charge as well. 2 into -1, answer is -2. 6 into -1, answer is -6. Total sum is -8. Here check -8 directly. So with all respect, our balancing is correct, or I can summarize the concept here. What we have to do, first of all, we will balance the atom which are undergoing oxidation and reduction by adding suitable number of factor, that can be 2, 3, 4, or depending on the situation. After that, I will calculate ox number of that element which are undergoing oxidation and reduction, and I will calculate the factor by which ox number is decreasing or increasing in the case of reduction or in the case of oxidation, and simultaneously I will do cross multiplication by that factor by which here decrease and increase is taking place. So that next step is here, correct? And after that I will see charge. If charge is not balanced and the number of charge is less or more, can be equal by adding suitable number of OH minus ion, because we are doing balancing in the case of basic medium, so it's very important to add minus OH minus OH ion, means OH minus ion or hydroxyl ion. It will be equal number to that number of charge which we calculated, correct? And after that we will see oxygen and hydrogen, so that we can balance further by adding suitable number of water molecule, and after that we can check again our balancing is correct or not, so we can see charge and next number of atom. So students, most of the students or teacher used to face problem with balancing in basic medium. So here all concept is clear, I think, and I hope you enjoy this method, this trick in a better way. So for my next video class, next video lecture, some more topic we will discuss, and we will enjoy our lecture, our study as we are doing. So till then, thank you, thanks a lot.